if you are holding bread, then we need to talk about something. I think you also noticed that the chart of bread is going down. And you probably feel inside of your body like, oh my god, is it over for bread? And to be honest guys, I want to show you something that is so interesting for the bread project and also my prediction for this run for bread. So this is exactly the point that I want to discuss in this video. So guys, first of all, this is the chart. We can see bread had before a pullback, but is it this time different? So this pullback was from the top to the bottom 66%. Then we have here from the top to the bottom 50%. And what about the first one? What about this one? So also 66%. And maybe one thing you noticed is if you're watching this chart, you see bread did quite well, reached more than $2 billion market cap, but nothing goes up forever. You need to take into account that when something goes up, there will be a pullback, 66%. It goes higher, 66%. And now again, we go higher, we have a pullback of 66%. So what makes it this time different? Now, I will tell you. So when we go to the Twitter page of Brad, we see an insane amount of followers. And like I said, Brad is a well-recognized brand in the crypto space right now. Above 2 billion was the all-time high. And do I think it is the beginning of Brad or the end of Brad? To be honest, guys, if you're watching, of course, it is the beginning. It is the beginning of Brad. And I think we can go way higher. Like, of course, rocking the Brad hoodie. Before I tell you more about what I think and my expectations are for Brad, if it's that or we can go way higher, I want to tell you about BullX. And BullX is a platform where you can trade just as normal on Uniswap, PancakeSwap and stuff like that, or Radium. You can trade on their platform, and this platform is insane. They have multiple tabs. So as an example, you have chains right now for the Neo version, Solana and Tron. So if you're into Solana meme coins or you want to trade Solana meme coins, Neo BullX is your platform. In here, you have a wallet manager. The wallet manager is now visible for Solana and Tron, and very soon also the Ethereum chain. And how it works is super simple. Just deposit Solana on the platform. You can go to any project you want. As an example, we want to buy WIF as an example, Dog WIF head. We right now can see the WIF chart, just as normal on DEX tools or Drex Screener. But right now you are able to buy in the same application. So you can buy, sell, put, also limit orders inside the application. As an example, you want to buy, when you are 50% down, you want to sell your wall back. Or if you want to sell when the price is 50% up, amount, as an example, 100% of my tokens, click on sell, and now you can put limit orders on the Solana chain, and super easy to use, buy and sell. Also, they have a pump fund page where you can see all the pump fund projects, new ones, the ones that almost get listed, and also the completed versions which are now listed on Radium. So super easy to use. So if you want to trade Solana meme coins, use Neo BullX. I'm super bullish on it. And right now, Solana chain and Tron, and very soon also Ethereum. Inside the description, there is a link to sign up. It will give you a discount to use BullX. So on every fee you generated, it will give you a discount. Yeah, like I said, there is right now a waiting list for it. But through my link, you can get already access to the new version, Neo BullX. So don't wait, use Neo BullX, and let's continue the video why I am bullish on Brad. Let's get back to the topic, guys. Let's get back. So why do I think Brad is ready for the next run and why I am investing myself more during these levels? So I am investing more. The first one is we see a pullback. We saw it multiple times and it can go way higher. If we compare the market cap of Brad to Doge or Shiba Inu in 2021, we can see that these guys reached a market cap of above $40 billion. So even if we get to a 10 billion or 20 billion in a good run, it is still almost a 10 or 20x from here. So keep that into account, 10 or 20x on a coin that is here for long term. The guys are spending insane amounts of money on content. So right now what I see and noticed was that the guys are now focusing more on real life content with the mascot. We see the mascot here in the videos. They're organizing events. And that is something we want to see, right? We want to see a project that is actively improving the project. They have already like insane graphics and also animations on the Twitter, Instagram and TikTok. So this makes me also more bullish. We have here a space, Brett, 6.2k listeners. It's insane. Nice amount of numbers. More and more exchanges are also listing Brett. And also another guy that is very influential was Luke Belmar and Thread Guy. They are also talking about Brett and as a long-term play. And I totally agree with them. So guys, keep in mind, the following fact is that Coinbase, the base chain, is the founder of base chain, Coinbase. And realize that Brett is the biggest project on their chain, like the biggest meme coin right now. And if you look at exchanges, Brett is listed on a lot, but not listed on Coinbase yet. I'm not saying it will be happening for sure, but if you are having a chain of base chain and you are the founder of it as an exchange, what do you want? You want to have volume. And what is Brett giving? Volume. So I think and I expect that on the right moment, they will list Brett. Of course, we cannot say it will happen for sure, but there is a very high chance that it will happen because it both benefit both parties. So this is the chart, guys. We already said about Brett. Is it dead or not? I think this is just the beginning, guys. I really think it. So I am buying more right now at 1.3 billion. I am buying more during these levels. If we see a higher correction, because we don't know what Bitcoin gonna do. If we see a higher correction, I am buying more also in this area. In this area, I am buying more Brett. And why this area? Because this is a very high chance that we can get a pullback here. But what it gives me is if I buy here and we go higher, I am in Brett. I was already in Brett. I'm still holding my back, but I'm just buying more. And when I'm buying here, I get the average price of 1 billion. So if we have a bounce back and we make a new all-time high, as an example to maybe 3 billion, it will give me a 3x from this moment. So that is the reason I'm always buying dollar cost average. It's so super important. So guys, bullish on Brett, rocking the Brett hoodie. And also let me know what you think about Brett. Are you still bullish? Do you think we can go lower? Do you think we can higher? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to check out new BullX, link inside the description to get early access to the platform. And I see you in the next one. Bye bye.